psychology and particularly in crime?
I am a forensic psychologist and a criminologist, and I also work with the forensic population in the prisons and the police.
क्रिमिनल का थॉट प्रोसेस क्या रहती होगी?
Some of the offenders do feel very motivated to commit a crime because they get a thrill and they feel I can get away with this.
So what kind of traumas do you usually see? सारे prisoners में this is the common thing के trades कैसा कुछ?
Most of the people who have committed some crime, they do have trauma histories.
तो वैसे 3-4 पैटर्न शायद से आप हमको बता सकते, इनके वजह से आपको पता चल जाता है कि भाई ये फ्यूचर में क्राइम करेगा.
I always felt that people are thinking too much on the causes of crime. What about the intervention, where we can eradicate this particular thinking pattern?
So what's the difference between psychopath and sociopath? But how hard is it to get their brains right? Can you share some of your case that you have worked?
It's also because they like to commit crime.
अच्छा, थ्रिल मिलती है उनको इसीलिए, किक के लिए. Kind of scary.